Do your stained or yellow teeth embarrass you? Chemical whitening strips and trays contain peroxide or bleach and make your teeth sensitive. And trips to the dentist are expensive and inconvenient. Introducing Miracle Teeth, the breakthrough teeth whitening system that everyone's talking about. Just dip your toothbrush in the Miracle Teeth powder and brush it on. Then rinse for a beautiful white smile. It's the fastest, easiest, natural way to whiten your teeth. You'll see incredible results the very first time you use it. And the more you use it, the whiter your teeth will get. The secret's the combination of natural activated coconut charcoal, bentonite powder, and orange seed oil that lifts, extracts, and removes years of yellowing and stains. You'll go from ugly, stained, and yellow to a beautiful, bright white $1,000,000 smile with Miracle Teeth. Miracle Teeth is completely natural and gentle on teeth and gums. It works great on natural teeth or veneers. Just look at the difference. Miracle Teeth will whiten teeth that have been stained by smoking, coffee, soda, red wine, and more. Miracle Teeth gives you the confidence to walk into a room and light it up.
I saw an improvement the first time I used it. The more I use it, the whiter my teeth get. All I do is dip and brush, and that's it.
Other whiteners really make my teeth sensitive, but this is really gentle.
Order now.